Here are some simple tips to get started with meal planning that works for your body and your lifestyle. 1. Start with the basics. A beginner's diet doesn't need to be complex. Focus on whole foods like vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods are nutrient-dense and provide the necessary vitamins and minerals your body needs to function. Avoid heavily processed foods as much as possible, since they tend to be higher in sugar, unhealthy fats, and empty calories. 2. Prioritize protein. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. Whether you're working out or just trying to maintain a balanced diet, aim to include a source of protein in every meal. Lean meats like chicken or turkey, fish, eggs, tofu, and legumes are excellent options. If you're vegetarian or vegan, lentils, beans, and plant-based protein powders can help you meet your needs. 3. Include healthy fats. Healthy fats are key for brain health and keeping you full longer. Avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon provide these beneficial fats. Don't be afraid to include them in your diet, but be mindful of portion sizes since fats are calorie-dense. 4. Balance your meals. A balanced plate should include a good mix of macronutrients. Try to divide your meals into 3 sections: half your plate for vegetables, a quarter for protein, and the other quarter for healthy carbohydrates like brown rice, quinoa, or sweet potatoes. This combination helps keep your blood sugar levels stable and provides lasting energy. 5. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for overall health. Many people confuse thirst with hunger, leading to overeating. Make it a habit to drink water throughout the day. Aim for about 8 glasses, but more if you're active or in a hot climate. If plain water isn't appealing, try adding a slice of lemon or cucumber for flavor. 6. Plan ahead. One of the easiest ways to stick to a healthy diet is by planning your meals in advance. Take time at the start of each week to map out what you'll eat. Write down your meals and create a shopping list to stay organized. Preparing ingredients or even entire meals in bulk can save time and help you avoid unhealthy last-minute food choices. 7. Don't skip breakfast. Breakfast kickstarts your metabolism and provides the energy you need to start your day. Opt for something quick but nutritious like oatmeal with fruits and nuts, eggs with whole grain toast, or a smoothie with protein powder and leafy greens. This helps prevent mid-morning hunger and keeps you from overeating at lunch. 8. Control portions. It's easy to overeat when portions are too large. Use smaller plates and bowls to naturally reduce the amount you consume. Pay attention to your body's hunger signals and stop eating when you're satisfied, not stuffed. Learning proper portion control will help you maintain a balanced diet without feeling deprived. 9. Snack wisely. Healthy snacks can help keep your energy levels steady throughout the day. Choose snacks that are high in fiber or protein, such as fruit with nut butter, yogurt with seeds, or a handful of nuts. Avoid snacks that are high in refined sugars or unhealthy fats, like chips or candy, as these can lead to energy crashes. 10. Be patient and consistent. Building a healthy eating routine takes time. Focus on small, gradual changes rather than drastic overhauls. Your goal is to create sustainable habits that you can maintain long-term. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. If you slip up, don't be discouraged. Just get back on track with your next meal. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a healthy, balanced meal plan that works for your lifestyle. Happy meal planning!